Everyone, अच्छा, start हो. Good afternoon, everyone. Today I stand for the GHMC elections, not just as a candidate but also as a responsible citizen of this area. I've visited to many places such as Kukatpalli and Ameerpet, Borabanda, Charminar, etc. The major problem that I have seen in these areas is waterlogging, traffic congestion, and also unemployment of the youth. So we'll be discussing each and every problem one by one. So for waterlogging, what I have recognized is there are many encroachments that are being constructed on the storm water drains that need to be taken care of, and also the other reason is desilting of the storm water drains. So in coordination with Hydra, I would like to announce that we will be clearing the encroachments that are being done on the nalas. Hydra refers to Hyderabad Disaster Response and Resource Protection Department. So this department will be dealing with the encroachments that are being constructed on the nalas, and also desilting machines will be used. These desilting machines will be removing the silt from the storm water drains. In this way, we will reduce the inundation of the area which we are taking care of. Also, the traffic congestion is one more problem, as I have seen. I've went to many shopkeepers, students, etc. After I have interacted with them, I have come to know that U-turns are very far ahead if we are on a main road. So that might be a problem due to not planning correctly of the traffic management. Traffic congestion is increasing day by day as the population is increasing. I would like to propose proper U-turn at places where the accidents will not be promoted also. And the other thing, as I have referred about the youth employment, is I will be organizing skill development centers at the community halls which are present in each locality, so that the youth of our society will be getting the skills which are required in the current job market. That's all. Thank you, everyone.